Hi friends, I'm Tirak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on the vanish mode on your Instagram for the Instagram messages. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn on the vanish mode on the Instagram for a particular chat or message. So first of all, you just need to click here and click on the messages, select any chat. Now just click on this profile on the top and click on the privacy and safety option. So here you can see a vanish mode. See, message will be disappear when you close that message. Note that the message you just make on the disappear mode will be closed after you are chatting. Okay, the message will not be available. So this is the vanish mode. So actually the vanish mode is turned on. So just for an example, I just said happy. So after turning off this, and it will not be appear. And also, if you just took any screenshot, it will be also mentioned here. You took a screenshot on the vanish mode. So this will be send a notification on the chat that you just took a screenshot. If they took the screenshot, it will also shows that they took the screenshot like that. This is the vanish mode feature. So you can also turn on the vanish mode by another thing. Just swipe on the top, swipe long to the top, it automatically changes to this vanish mode. So after closing this chat and just coming back, you can see still the vanish mode is turned on. So this is how if you just close the vanish mode, there will be no message that you just created on the vanish mode will be appears here. This is how it's work. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.